Okay, as the crow flies, I'm probably no more than a half mile from my house right now, but you can see it's a beautiful boreal forest. This is the North Star Nerd Birder. Turn it off. GoPro, stop recording.